Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to access Shopify admin dashboard. So first things first, go to your shop's website and then you simply have to type /admin on your website's address, and then you will be redirect to your admin dashboard. Now there's other way how you can do this. You can simply first log out to your account and then click on log in, and then you just simply have to log in again to your account and you will be able to redirect to your admin dashboard. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.